I gotta show you what I got today. I've been looking for an alternative for this situation, and I finally found it. I found it on Amazon. It's called a desk clamp power strip. I just got this in the mail today, and what's nice about this is it has 6 plugs, but each one individually has an on-off switch. And this clamps down to the bench. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this here. I'm gonna clamp it onto the end of my bench. It's adjustable for different thickness benches. So my top here is I think 1.25 inches thick. I'm gonna hook this in here. And what I want this for is because when I'm using the shaper router, the Orgin Router, I don't always need the vacuum running the whole time when I'm setting it up. So what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna plug the router into this. I'm gonna plug my vacuum cleaner in here. I'm gonna plug the outlet strip into my power source. And now I have an individual way to turn the router on, because there's no on-off switch on the router. That turns the screen on. The on-off switch just turns the router bit on. So when I need to program it, I just turn this on, that turns there, and then I can scan my material and I can prepare everything, get it ready, and then when I'm ready for the vacuum, hook the vacuum into it, and now instead of, if this is on the ground, I don't have to reach down and find that. I can turn the vacuum on off here. That should help.